Unit 5 End of Unit Assessment. Calculator should not be used. Question 1. A woodworker wants to cut a board that is 8.225 feet long into 5 equal length pieces. How long will each of the cut boards be? A. 0.1645 feet. B. 1.645 feet. C. 4.1125 feet. D. 41.125 feet. Question 2. Write true or false for each. Which expressions that have the same value as 892 divided by 8? A. 8,920 divided by 80. B. 894 divided by 10. C. 89 2/10 divided by 0.08. D. 8.92 divided by 0.8. E. 0.892 divided by 0.008. Question 3. Which is closest to the quotient of 4,367 divided by 0.004? A. 1,000. B. 10,000. C. 100,000. D. 1,000,000. Question 4. One way to convert from inches to centimeters is to multiply the number of inches by 2.54. How many centimeters are in 1/4 inch? Question 5. Find each quotient using long division. A. 2,247 divided by 7. B. 676 divided by 13. Question 6. A sign in a bakery gives these options: 12 cupcakes for $29, 24 cupcakes for $56, 50 cupcakes for $129. Find each unit price to the nearest cent and show your reasoning. 12 cupcakes for $29, 24 cupcakes for $56, 50 cupcakes for $129. B. Which option gives the lowest unit price? Question 7. A stack of 500 pieces of paper is 1.875 inches tall. A. Diego guesses that each piece of paper is 0.015 inches thick. Explain how you know Diego's answer is not correct. B. Compute the thickness of each piece of paper. Show your reasoning.